morning. We're out here at the car because this just came in. I bought it for 20 bucks. It's a bush light sign and it works. It all lights up. The lady was trying to scrap it, and when I told her how much she was going to get, she was like, oh no, maybe you give me $20 for it. And it's like, sold. And the batteries, right?
Yeah.
4 of them. Those will go right down there. You're probably gonna have to. That door. So much a piece.
Go that away. Okay.
Yeah.
Does it go in the same dumpster?
Yep. That's
that one's copper.
That one's different. They'll go separate.
Hey, is that over there?
Yeah, right there's fine. You never know what will come in.
What's going on? Where do you want this stuff?
In my car.
Did you weigh them or what?
Yeah. It's on a
The whole
scale.
thing.
We just look and guess. Usually it's in our favor.
Wouldn't surprise me. That's what they do.
Where?
I brought a load in the other day. They took a third of my load off. Said it had concrete.
I believe.
I can believe you took off.
No, but this whole thing's a scale. Where's all the good stuff?
It ain't come yet.
Like the copper and everything?
Yeah, yeah.
Do you have any?
I got more of that coming.
That's
Yeah.
probably stainless.
No, it's aluminum.
Is it?
You wouldn't pick it up if it was stainless.
Yeah, I think you're right. It's just chrome.
Yeah, I was going to bring rotors and stainless. And I thought I might bring 2 that I have to dump.
Yeah, you can't do that. Yeah.
I'm bringing 1 that I have to unload by hand. I figured it didn't snow anymore. I can get rid of my toboggan.
It might snow next. It might snow next week, I guess. It's possible. I saw something. There's a second round of the vortexes that are coming down from Canada.
I don't know. Do you want this little stainless so it ain't all spilling?
Yeah, I know. 240. Yeah, we can.
It's all putting on a scale. Yeah. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, he freaked me out the first time I come. I thought that too. I thought, how the hell's he weigh this?
You brought all that copper, right?
Yeah.
That one time I remember.
Yeah.
27 and 4 batteries.
4 batteries. So that's what he just knows what's there. Yeah. Yeah. He keeps punching in and it's
169.
Huh?
$169.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, let her know about the cat, because you got to have a title. That's like a big thing.
Yeah, that was just in our scrap pile, and I'm like, well, I'll just whack that off.
It's 20 bucks. Oh, you want to do these too.
I mean, wouldn't it make sense to put it in your dumpster?
Yeah, no, I'll put it right over here. I got a small bin. What's that?
What was the battery now?
550 per battery. That's the last one, right?
Yep.
336. Take away 8. 328.
Yeah, I carry them big ship things apart. And them stainless bolts hold all them little plastic things on. I bring the ship things over here, but then them big spools, I can't get rid of them. Nobody wants them.
8. All right, now you're at 317.
Okay. Yeah, just send it.
That's a big log. That's the way to bail it. You would think that stuff was just crushed up, you know? And the Sierra's going, yay! You're leaving soon, right? Is it? I thought you had a car job or something. Yeah. Yeah, he's up there, right? Yeah, he's up there, right? So the steering? Holy crap. Yeah, like what, 8 volts or something? 2 volts? That's good. That's heavy too. Right, here's the tin pile. It's probably 35 feet tall or so. Yes, the crusher's been down, but now the Sierra's back up and going. But there's also cars inside the yard that need to come out here, but there's no room. That's what happens when it's down for 2 weeks. You get a couple hundred tons in. These all need to get chopped up at some point. Let's see, anything interesting out here? I haven't been out back yet in a little while. 4 buses. Motorhomes, 5th wheels. There's those things. Cab over. Probably an Isuzu, yep. And there she sits. She's still here. You can get a little more up and close. A little slant 6. rust. Glass is still there. I mean, I don't know if that can be repaired. I mean, it probably can. With money. Tail lights. I mean, it's a nice looking car. Some 0, 0, 0, 0. Square. Dirty stainless.
What?
74. It's just these two, right?
Yeah, those two.
That way we can put all that extrusion in. He claims no screws. Said he claimed no screws.
Hey, bro. I'm trying to move it down. What I was doing this morning.
You find all this?
I bought it for $40.
Bought it for $40. Let's see if you made your money.
Well, you know I mean no money.
Well, let's see if you doubled your money.
I believe it.
Probably,
Plus, I still got some more home.
probably tripled it.
I got some more home.
Yeah? I bet you tripled. Page 40, we're almost at 200. 240. How much time?
Took me about 30 minutes.
Did you find this on Facebook?
Now, feeding it and cutting it. Feeding it and cutting it.
Where'd you find it?
This old man was driving inside of a trailer with it.
Yeah?
I said, what you doing there? Down the road? You want to put it down there? Sure.
Hey.
When you buy these new, they're $80 a pole.
Yeah. 238. 238. So of his invest, he 165. He tripled it and got his money back. Ah!
I think my camera just turned. Is my camera on yet?
I don't see anything on the front. Now it's on.
It was on and it turned off. Sorry guys. I don't know why it turned off, but it turned off.
It-
Must be Jeffy's karma.
It turned off at a good time, so you didn't have to hear some words.
Jeffy's negative karma's turned it off.
Not my negative karma. Their negative
Negative vibes.
energy. Hey, what do women in pools have in common?
I don't know, Jeff. What do pools and women have in common?
They both cost a lot of money to maintain for the amount of time that you're inside them.
Oh.
Let's see if that's a controversy. I saw that on YouTube. It was a YouTube short. So, that was a YouTube short.
Yeah, but there's a lot of stuff on YouTube. I see like there's naked people and stuff on YouTube.
I've never seen naked people on YouTube. What?
Yeah.
What?
There's a lot of super inappropriate stuff.
I have never seen that.
Get up on there. Ah. That's hot. Big brasses.
Dirty Brassius 2.
That's dirty.
Yep.
Forgot a motor, Jeffy.
I didn't see the motor.
Fan on just for you. Oh.
That was clean aluminum, sir, right? Dirty extrusion, right?
It was dirty extrusion.
So you got clean aluminum. 90 bucks.
Hey, I'll take that, man.
90 bucks. Huh?
It's kind of slow out there today.
What was it?
What kind of fish are worth a lot of money?
What kind of fish are worth a lot of money? A bankfish.
A goldfish.
Fished. What do you get when you have two doctors at once?
Two doctors at once. Doc.
Paramedics.
Paramedics.
Play on words.
What do you grow? How do you grow a blackbird?
How do you grow a blackbird?
Yeah.
Incubate.
Plant some bird seed.
Oh God. What did the computer say when it fell into quicksand?
Oh, I think I've heard this before. I don't know.
Help me, I'm sinking.
I'm sinking.
Sinking with a Y.
God.
With a Y.
Knock knock.
Who's not there?
Landon.
Landon who?
Is it true cats always land in their feet?
Oh, that's so bad. I'm sorry. We have a bunch of wire right here to unload. And there's one transformer too. So. I apologize if it's loud. Come on, come on. negative 102. I already got a call about this morning. Good copper wire. And this stuff is thicker. Like they tried to strip it, but they're like, yeah, it's not happening. 533. 1237. 1236. All right. Six. 533. And all that's left is the transformer. Tyler's doing good. I think I'm getting a cold. My daughter had a sore throat and a cough last week, so now I have a cough that started last night. Bring this? This is yours, right? Yeah? Weigh her up? There we go. And then we gotta dump that on him. Huh? No, he'll have that done in like 10 minutes. Light irony?
The right side, the other wall with the heavy iron.
Same thing with the door. Same thing with the door. Scooters! Razors! What is that? Squeegee? That's probably for like a...
Professional company.
Like the wet, like the Swiffers? Heavy. That's all the light we got? There's the light.
Yeah, I'm gonna hang on them for a second.
Well, the brass was in there.
No.
1 pound.
One.
Almost two.
Yeah, give me 2 on brass. I seen it.
And that's it? Got $101. copper.
Fuck, I had a giant.
How does this work?
Show you.
You just do this
Nope.
and it goes down? Oh. It's so cool. That's so cool, huh? It drops down. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna spin it. You're fine. I'm gonna try to spin it. I'm hoping that fits. Thinking I'm gonna have to scoot the batteries over. I don't think that's gonna fit between there. He's leaking bad. You blow a hose? Zucks. Copper wire.
I had, and I threw it out about 10 dumpster loads of
Oh, Dad?
timber. Yeah.
Where are they?
It's gone. I didn't know you guys.
No. Threw it out. Man. Gonna buy some NyQuil tonight. We got $338. Thank you for the dog treats. They just came in the mail. Delilah! Delilah! Vámonos! Vámonos! Ready? You gonna sit? You gonna sit? See, smell, sit. Sit. She won't? Huh? What happened?
I don't know. Something on it. She cannot put them on the floor.
Aw, poor girl. What's that one? There you go.
She was biting yesterday on it like crazy.
What gloves? No, they were in Manny's area. I never let. Are they on no. Oh, I lost one of my gloves. Son of a beeswax. I lost one of my gloves. It might be. Oh, what'd you do to your leg? Oh, poor baby. Poor baby. Oh, yeah, it's a good girl. Oh, it's a good girl. That one, you gonna try to get that going?
No, I'm gonna take that one. Eventually, go.
Try getting double for him.
Double. Heavy. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. Man, I can't believe I lost my other glove. Oh, a sink. One sink. The motor, the trolley motor. One sink. We haven't had a lot. That makes 9. Heavy. 14. No. No, it's gone. Over there. Look at that look. Look at that look. It's crazy. They just go right there. Yeah, it's gone. Yeah. On the side of the forklift here. I'm gonna have to buy a set of Hardy gloves. Yep. All that, yep. All those pans. Nope. No. I knew when it left that it wasn't gonna do it. I'm gonna try that again.
There you go.
Yeah, it's just. Oh, 2 sinks. Gotta get another one. That makes 10. You should save that. Oh, yeah. Over here. Over there. Where the sinks went?
Oh. Who's over there?
Yep, that's clean. 34. Whew. That one's clean. This is clean. The stainless first. Dirty, no. I'd save that. To go, hey. Will it fit across the front?
Hey, will.
For
Too long.
For your no width weight. It
It
won't.
won't fit in here.
It won't?
In the long way.
No?
No.
I think so. And the battery? Jose? And that's it. Hey, 237. What I sort it for him, so it's easier. Faster using the machine because he doesn't have to walk.